তাৰ নামি এইটো ঘৰ যে বনাই থৈছে
তাতে আছে
সেইটোৱে গ'লে লাহেকৈ এইটো এনেকৈ ৰাস্তাতে এনেকৈ সত্ৰলৈ এটা সোমাইছে ইণ্ডিয়াই গ'লে একেবাৰে মেইন গেটে দি যাবগৈ লাগিব।
ঠিক আছে,
সত্ৰ মেইন গেটে যাব লাগিব তেতিয়া,
মানে ইয়াৰ পৰা লেফ্ট
ইণ্ডিয়াই যাব লাগিব। এইটো এনেকৈ গৈ চাৰিআলিটো পাব নহয়, চাৰিআলি এটা পাবা, এটা এইটো ঘাটত গৈছে, এটা এনেকৈ সত্ৰত গৈছে।
ঠিক আছে, আগত আছে নে? Thank you.
Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to the Shining Traveler channel. Today I am visiting world's largest river island, that is Majuli, which is located in Brahmaputra river of Assam. And I have taken a ferry from Nimati Ghat and I am inside of it and now moving towards it. Let's go there. I took a ferry from Nimati Ghat of Jorat from there, and now moving towards there. You can see the beauty of Brahmaputra river. Let's see how does it look inside. And this is the ferry which we have taken and we are traveling. As we all know that Majuli is world's largest river island. The people of Majuli have to depend on ferry services if they want to connect with Jorat city and from Jorat to Guwahati. So that is why that is their routine life and they need to carry their bike and other materials to there. You know, whenever a boat comes from opposite side, definitely everyone will fear because of incident took place in 8th September 2021 where two boats were collided. So after that government woke up from its sleep and started working on betterment of ferry services. So So after 1 hour of journey, we have reached Majuli Island. You can see that island and one more boat you can see there, which is ready to come to Nimati Ghat from Majuli. So we have touched the southern part of Majuli. So I am moving towards southern part. Now I am. Here people are waiting to unload those materials, vehicles which are kept in this ferry. This particular trip is unplanned trip. I don't know where I have to go in Majuli. Just I landed here and I need to see where I have to go now. So let's see where this road goes and I will keep on walking. So in Google map which is showing a Hotra called Dokinapat Hotra. So we are moving towards there and Dada has taken me that responsibility. I don't know who is this Dada, but I'm very thankful to him. So let's go there.
Thank you, Dada.
Welcome.
Play hoise ne?
You know, from here it is around 1.1 kilometer. So we need to go by Google location only. And in the Google location which is showing nooks and nooks of this village, and I am following that route map only. So it's the day of Shivaratri, so you can hear songs which are coming from every corner of this village, and also the beauty of villages of Assam, and how they have constructed houses and these hedges, fences, everything. And I don't know why this Google location is showing these kind of small routes to go reach Dakinapathotra. I don't know. Wow! Finally, we are on road.
অ' ককা দক্ষিণাপথ সত্ৰ কোনফালে আছে?
দক্ষিণপাট সত্ৰ
হা
এইপিনে আছে এই
কেনেকৈ মানে কেনেকৈ যাব পাৰে মানে
যাব
খোজকাঢ়ি যাব পাৰে
খোজকাঢ়ি যাব পাৰি
কেনেকৈ মানে ৰ'দত আছে?
অঁ এই ৰোডত আছে এই পথাৰ নামি এইটো ঘৰ যে বনাই থৈছে
অ' তাতে আছে হা
সেইতে গ'লে লাহেকৈ এইটো এনেকৈ ৰাস্তাতে এনেকৈ সত্ৰলৈ এটা সোমাইছে
হা
ইণ্ডিয়াই গ'লে একেবাৰে মেইন গেটে দি যাবগৈ লাগিব
ঠিক আছে
সত্ৰ মেইন গেটে যাব লাগিব তেতিয়া
মানে ইয়াৰ পৰা লেফ্ট
ইণ্ডিয়াই যাব লাগিব এইটো এনেকৈ গৈ চাৰিআলিতে পাব নহয়
হা হা
চাৰিআলিটা পাবা এটা এইটো ঘাটত গৈছে
হা
এটা এনেকৈ সত্ৰত গৈছে
ঠিক আছে আগত আছেনে
আগত আছে
থেংক ইউ
As usual, I asked old man regarding the route to Dakinapathotra because in Google location which is showing other direction. So I need to depend upon the words of mouth only. So he said that don't go left, you go by right, you will find a gate. So from that you get inside. So let's go there. So instead of taking roadway, I'm taking some shortcut which connects through a field. So I have chosen that way, and moreover it really sounds true that Majuli is biggest river island because of these wetlands and its nature. It is very cool and really astounding beauty of India. After a long journey, we came to a exact and correct location where they have put the board. You can see Dokinapat Hotra. You need to go by left side. It's a school, Assamese school. You can see how does it look, and it is located in Dokinapat, Majuli. So something they have written. Let's read it. দক্ষিণপথ মাধ্য উচ্চ মাধ্যমিক বিদ্যালয়. Since 1 hour I am walking actually, I could not find this Dakinapathotra Hotra. The route is so distant, and in Google location which was showing just 1 kilometer, but I don't know whether I have walked around 3 to 4 kilometers. I'm continuously walking, and people are saying that okay, it's very near, you can go by walk, but I'm since many minutes I'm walking, and I could not touch the Mati of Dakinapathotra Hotra. So let's go. So after a long journey, after all expectations, I reached the arch of this Dakinapathotra. Hotra means these are monasteries of Vaishnava saints, and you might have heard about Shankardev, Guru Shankardev of Assam, who is one of the greatest saints of Assam, who has changed the cultural background of Assam, and he built monasteries for spreading Vaishnavism in this region. So Majuli is very famous for those Vaishnava, etc. Here one kind of shrine, and inside you can find Krishna and other people who are singing his hymns and all. Assam's Guru Srimanta Sankardev introduced Ekasarana Hotra, where Krishna is considered to be, topmost god. So here in this monastery, you can find that. So let's go inside, and we'll find what is there inside. This particular monastery is called Dakkinapat Hotra. You can find many Hotra here, like Kamalabadi Hotra, and you can even find Barpeta Hotra, which is very far from here. But Majuli is very famous for these kind of Hotras. Uh, as we know that Shankardev is considered to be one of the greatest saints of Assam, and he only introduced many of the things in Assam, like Hotriya dance and many other things. So inside the monastery we are focusing, you can see, and gamucha has been covered to these pillars, and very few people are there. You can find gamucha and horai, and these are very special here. And outside you can find they have depicted the pictures of many gods. In this particular hotel only you can find many people who are residing inside monasteries. They have constructed like that, how, like in a manner of houses. So people reside here and they worship Krishna as their god, and they consider there is no god greater than Krishna. So that's the gist of Eka Sarana Hotra, so which started by Guru Shankar Dev, and it is continued by Madhav Dev, who is his pupil. Majulu means not only Brahmaputra river, not only ferry services, not only hotras, but also many things are there to explore. Due to time shortage, I have shown only few things, so I will show many things in coming videos. So your responsibility to subscribe. Those who didn't subscribe, to like, share, and comment. Thank you.